Xin chào mọi người. Today we have Star Wars Play-Doh
Edition, is it? This Star Wars Clone Wars Play-Doh edition. Okay, let's open it up and see what you have. Okay, let's remove this. This is what looks like
a mold.
Mold. Okay.
I'll show these two. And now I can start a mold.
Okay. This one. This is the mold. Okay. Okay, so what do you have here?
That's the chocolate.
This is the
Playmat.
placemat, is it? Okay, the placemat. Okay.
Let's start doing.
This one.
Let's start doing.
Yeah, you can. Okay. 3 colors. Right.
First,
This is like
loading
beige, blue, and pink.
red.
Red, sorry. Okay. Okay. What are you trying to mold now? What is that? The excess, is it? Can I do one? Can I? Okay, let me do this. What is this?
Sheep.
Okay, let me try one. Put it inside this. More. Wow. Come, show me. Show me that one. What you have done. Okay, get ready.
That's small.
Wow, show me. Did you close it up together or not? Wow, it's
No,
very
I made-
detailed. Yeah,
You want to make this?
okay.
Which color you want?
Use this color, the red.
What is?
Okay, let me see. It's coming. Remove the excess, and there you go. Is this Han Solo? Is it Han Solo?
Look.
Look at mine. Looks nice, right? There you go. It's Han Solo.
Accessories.
Okay. Did one.
I use the same color as yours.
Okay. What is this?
Accessories.
Accessories, is it?
Put in below.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So this is like, put it here. The Clone Wars. Ah, I saw this. You see what they can do on this? Take this, squash it. Aha. Let me do another one.
No, I want it to do.
Oh, okay. Did another one.
Give me one. I want to make one also. Take
Okay.
off.
Remove this, is it? Okay.
Look what I can do. Daddy, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm making now.
Okay.
Look what I'm making this time.
What are you making?
You see.
Can I have this?
Hmm?
Can I have this?
Then I'll cut and then put this here. Then I'll watch it cut.
Slicing it, is it?
Tea bag.
Can I make the red one here? Right?
And I'll make with gingerbread. Then I'll make with the
Squash it. Let's see what I have here. Remove the excess.
yeah.
And I have this. Woohoo!
You want to make one more of these?
Look at mine.
Accessory.
Very detailed. Good.
Accessory. I need to. But Play-Doh broke. There's one Play-Doh on the floor.
Is it?
Grab it. I'm a bit cutting it. Done.
Okay. Can you show it to your fans?
Okay. Ta-da!
Show me. What you've got? Oh, it's like a, what is that?
Stem.
A stamp.
I make it.
You made this, is it? Okay.
I make it. Put it on here.
Okay. Yeah, you see, you have this placemat here, you know, playmat. Then you can make whatever you put it up there.
See, I'm tearing it off the accessory.
This is the latest Star Wars.
Look at mine. Look at this.
Can I have a look? Can I take it out? Let's see. There's another one, Han Solo. Right?
No, that's Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker? Oh, okay. Sorry. Is it? Lightsaber. Anakin. Battle Droids. Okay.
What?
This is Anakin. Then you have the Battle Droids. Yeah.
What?
Nice? Fun? Squash it. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough, right? Shall we?
Bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching.